Good morning, team. Justin here. Hope you're having a really good day today. If you like staying at hotels like Intercontinentals, Regions, Six Senses, or maybe even the Holiday Inn, good news for you because IHG has a credit card by Chase. And right now they have an all-time high sign-up bonus. You can earn 175,000 IHG points if you sign up with an IHG Premier card by Chase. And that's what we're going to talk about in this video. Talk about this new credit card and the benefits it offers you. Maybe this sign-up bonus is enough for you to go ahead and sign up for this IHG card, because it has made a lot of improvements recently after they revamped the reward program to make it more competitive with Hyatt, Hilton, and Marriott. If you're new to the channel, I'm Justin, and I like talking about credit cards and reward points to get the most out of life. If you like credit cards and you like reward points, you should give this video a thumbs up and you should subscribe to the channel. So the IHG Rewards Premier card, it has an annual fee of $99. Right now, it has an all-time high sign-up bonus of 175,000 IHG points. And you can kind of equate IHG points to about the same as Marriott. They're valued at about the same at 0.5 cents a point. So the sign-up bonus, about worth $875. IHG doesn't have as many high-end luxury kind of names, but has Intercontinentals, which are an upper mid-range. You have Regents, which are very nice. Those are luxury hotels and resorts. Kimptons, Six Senses, and Six Senses are really nice. I've never stayed at one, but I'd really love to. And they're on those lists for hotels that are some of the best hotels in the world. And then if those aren't really up your alley, you can still do things like Holiday Inns. Lower end properties with IHG can go for 10,000 points a night. Going up to 50, 60, 100,000 points for some of the really best properties in the overall portfolio. So the sign-up bonus should be enough to get you a few nights somewhere or about anywhere that you want to go. Card also comes with a secondary sign-up bonus if you put a lot of spending on the card. After spending $20,000 on the card in the first year, you get a $100 statement credit plus 10,000 bonus points. But to be eligible for the card, you got to make sure that you don't have another personal IHG card and haven't earned a sign-up bonus in the past 24 months. Business IHG card doesn't count though, so you're clear on that. And besides the sign-up bonus, the card offers the usual benefits of being a hotel co-branded card. Now, when you use the card, you're going to be earning IHG points, and the best multiplier is going to be when you stay at IHG properties. It advertises 26 points per dollar spent at IHG properties. That's not exactly accurate because 10 of those base points are going to be from just staying at the hotel and being a member of the IHG Rewards program. So regardless of what card you get, you're going to earn those 10 points. Then this card's going to give you 10 points for the spending put on the card at IHG properties. And then you're going to earn another 6 points as a bonus from having platinum status. And you're going to earn this platinum status from the card. If you did want to spend this card, spend your hotel stay on this card, 26 points. But only 10, kind of 16, come from the card itself. Then with all the other categories, you're going to earn 5x on travel, 5x at gas stations, and 5x on restaurants, and then 3x on everything else. And every hotel card worth its salt should be giving you a free anniversary night. And this card does. It gives you a free night anniversary certificate, and you can redeem that up to 40,000 points per night. But you can also upgrade that. You can add your own points to that certificate to kind of up the limit. You can top it up. I think it's as much as you want. You can add 20,000 points to that certificate if you want it and redeem it for 60,000 points. And one area where IHG beats out Marriott and Hilton is in its 4th night free. If you book 3 nights at IHG properties with points, you get the 4th night free, where with Marriott and Hilton, it's the 5th night free. So here's a point for IHG on that. The IHG Premier card, it advertises the ability to buy IHG points at 20% discount. But you should know that IHG regularly has sales on the points where you can buy points at 0.5 cents a piece. And that'll be its own sale. And this promotion, this 20% discount, it doesn't stack with that other promotion. So regardless, the way to do it is you would want to buy your IHG points when those half a cent point sales come along. That's the best time to get the points if you were to buy some. And IHG does actually have good opportunities where you can buy points and redeem them and save money on hotel stays at higher end properties, buying the points and redeeming them instead of just paying cash for the hotel. They kind of make that, there's plenty of properties that you'd be able to find a good deal on buying the points instead. Some of these benefits are associated with having platinum status with IHG, and that comes along with the card. And to put that into perspective, it's the 2nd highest status with IHG. And usually it would require 40 nights to stay. And then after that, you need 70 nights to achieve diamond status. Platinum status is going to give you free internet, guaranteed room availability 72 hours prior, complimentary upgrades, a little welcome kit of either points or a drink, some early check-in, and then some late checkout at 2 p.m. Comes with a little $100 statement credit every 4 years for global entry or TSA pre-check, and then a standard suite of insurance. We have our baggage delay insurance, up to $100 per passenger for 3 days of delayed baggage, lost baggage reimbursement up to $3,000, purchase protection and trip cancellation, trip interruption insurance. And probably the 2 biggest benefits of the card is that it comes with that free night certificate of 40,000 points, and then the 4th night free once you book on points. You get the 4th night free, and that's better than Hilton and Marriott's 5th night free. Having status with Holiday Inns may not be too thrilling, but also there are the very nice chains of the Intercontinentals and the Kimptons and the Regents and the Six Senses. So this card may be something you'd be interested in if you wanted to stay at any of those really high-end properties. And IHG has got some praise and some kudos for making the program much better than it was before its revamp 6 months ago or so. And much more popular, and people are a lot more happy with what it's offering in form of loyalty and rewards for its loyalty program. Hope you enjoyed this video about the IHG Rewards Premier card by Chase. If you did, really appreciate it. Thumbs up. Really appreciate you subscribing to the channel. And then I'll put a link up here for another hotel co-branded credit card that you might enjoy. You can go watch that. I'll see you in the next video. All right, Justin out.